This is how we inspect the brand new house.
I'm at the brand new house at Richmond in Texas. Let's see what we find. She's a downspout extension. The saddle is too low. And you see right there. Yeah, there's no missing kick out flash. We need that. There's siding, and then I'll shingle it in between. Yeah, they should add step flashing, not J flashing like this. It's not good building practice, and also most manufacturers they want step flashing to install. You see the electric meter, the bottom conduit. So we need expansion fitting and metal tie. And then this is what we call the butt joint, missing caulking or flashing. This backside of home around the trim, yeah, you need caulking right here, and also you see the gap. Yeah, we need caulking right there too. The siding right here at the bottom side. Yeah, we need the foundation need to be exposed minimum 6 inches. And it is wood or hardboard. And also this wood right here. Yeah, this one we call that condition for termite. Yeah, they should use a Baccarat or man-made one at the old foam board. Okay, this light fixture. And we see the bottom side. It's a good idea to leave a small opening right here, so in case the water penetrate, so you have space to the water to come out. Okay, and then I know it's water leak from the anti-bac flow device right here. Yeah, that's not good. I need to replace it. Let me tell you another good tip. Normal typical inspector, they don't point this out. You see the bottom right here? You see the space? Yes, that's right. That's a big gap enough to rodent can start coming to your house. Okay, we need to see all this here. I'm in the kitchen. You see the band. It's not vented to. The kitchen band is not vented to outside. Okay, let me know your comment in the below if your house without vented to outside, or you just want to rely on the filter like this only. Anyway, let me know. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen. This is underneath the sink, beneath the sink. Yep, missing control now. Okay, this no cosmetic molding and proper installation. Yeah, doors missing. Yeah, just ground the door. To the top. Missing paint. On the shower, the vertical joint, yeah, you need missing caulking. You don't want any oil penetrate behind the shower or area. Okay, in the laundry room, second floor higher, the washer, bottom part, you're doing the drain line and drain pan connect to the drain line, so in case event of a water leak, so it doesn't cause water damage inside your house. Okay, when you see this window, looks seems okay, but right here, I can see. What's this? It's chip. Okay. Okay, this AC unit, and you see the bottom. Yeah, we need a backup drain pan, secondary drain pan. It's missing. We need that. Okay, I will see you on your next new home. Bye.